Good morning, class 9. Today we are going to do business communication. To define business communication, business communication is the sharing of information between people within an organization that performed that is performed for the commercial benefit of the organization. So we all know that in our business there are various kinds of people who are involved in various departments. So everybody need to communicate with each other for better functioning. Why we need this communication in a business organization? We all know effective communication has always been essential for the success in business. So proper communication is more essential due to the following reasons. So we'll see reason number one, it's increase in size. As the business firm grows and the scale of operation also increases. Hence, a large business firm has thousands of employees and many factories that work in different sites. So in order to have a close contact of the head office with other branch office is possible only through effective communication. The second point is growing specialization. We all know when we narrowly divide our organizations, we have to differentiate between different departments. So when we share our workload by dividing the work into different departments, and all these departments need to have proper communication and coordination. This again needs proper and sound communication. Is that clear? Next, we will see the technological advancements. Rapid changes in science and technology lead to obsolescence. That means as you grow modern, the old knowledge and technology is of no use. So in order to be upgraded and proper trainings need to take place, all these facilities need proper communication. Next, human relations. Effective communication between management and employees is necessary to develop mutual trust and confidence, because people who are the leaders, they need to take people who work for them under their under confidence, and then help them to develop their skill set, and in the entire process the entire business organization is on the smooth go, or it functions much better. Next, we have public relations. Society expects more and more from managers. That means if you're a manager, you need to manage everything well. Business has to keep the government, the distributors, suppliers, investors, and other sections of the society well informed. Naturally, when you are running a business, your business need to be sound and should have a proper goodwill. So that's the reason whatever you are doing and how you are performing, that the society should be known. And that's where proper communication is required from the manager's end to the public end. Is that clear, children? Now we are going to do the ways of communicating. When we talk about ways of communicating, we have verbal communication and non-verbal communication. When it talks about verbal communication, it is a communication that involves words, both spoken and written, or sign language. So let's see what is written communication. It means communication through written words. It takes place through letters, circulars, notices, bulletins, memos, reports, telegrams, forms, questionnaires, manuals, minutes, etc. So everything that has been transmitted in writing is included in written communication. Let's see what are the importance or advantages of written communication. Wide access. The first point is wide access. It is the most economical and probably the only means of communication when sender and receiver of the message are separated by long distance. It has widest coverage. So it means that distance is not a bar. Even the receiver is somewhere else and the sender is some other end, still they can communicate, but it has to be properly written down. Next, you have precision and accuracy. When we talk about written messages, they are prepared with thought and care. Naturally, the communicator tends to be accurate and factual because the authenticity of the written message can be challenged and verified. So one has to be very careful when you are writing a message which has to go to the public. The third point of advantage is permanent record. Naturally, when you write down something, it provides as a permanent record for future reference. Such written records of policy decisions and performance. Legal evidence. Sometimes there are disputes in an organization. So these written messages can be used in the court of law as legal evidence in case of any disputes with employees or clients. Convenience. Again, the personal presence of neither the sender nor the receiver of the message at a certain place at the same time is necessary. We all know that we may not be present at the same room or under the same roof. You just has to be written so that when I have a convenient time, I can go ahead and read the message that has been written for me. So that is what is convenience all about. Okay, so today we just end till here. We have done what is communication, why it is required, we have seen the importance, and we have seen the importance and advantages of communication. So it's very essential for you to take notes and read them till we meet again, till we see the next video of communication. That will be part 2. Thank you so much. Have a good day.